In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Messenger chat in WordPress website. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the site editor for your home template. This is where we'll make the change so the chat entry point appears across your homepage layout. Once the editor loads, click the highlighted area where you want the Messenger link or button to live. Placing it near the bottom right or in a persistent section works well, but any clear, visible spot is fine. Next, click the highlighted control to add content. You'll see an insertion point or a small toolbar appear. Start typing to bring up the input field, then click again to focus the link entry. Now, type your Facebook Messenger destination. You can paste your Facebook page or profile link, the one you manage for support, or your preferred Messenger URL. As soon as WordPress detects a valid Facebook address, select the suggested match from the drop-down so it attaches correctly. After the link is in place, adjust its layout so it stands out. Choose the wide width option to give the block more breathing room and improve clickability on desktop. If your theme offers different widths, wide is usually a safe, eye-catching choice without breaking your design. Now, refine the block type. Click to open the block options and switch it to paragraph if it isn't already. This ensures the link is treated as simple, reliable text that users can click on, and it plays nicely with most themes and screen sizes. If a previous selection added unnecessary styling, switching to paragraph is a quick way to normalize spacing and typography. Take a moment to review the styling. Click through the highlighted settings to check alignment, text size, and contrast. Make sure the link label is clear, something like "Chat with us on Messenger," so visitors instantly understand what it does. If your theme supports link hover states, verify that the hover color remains accessible. When you're happy with the placement and appearance, click Save. WordPress may show a summary of what's changing. Confirm to commit those edits to your template. Finally, click Launch or open the site preview to verify the Messenger link on the live page. Test it on desktop and mobile to confirm it opens the Messenger chat as expected. Pro tips before you wrap up. Ensure you're linking to the correct page or profile you actively monitor, and keep the wording consistent with your brand's support tone. If you use a caching plugin, clear the cache so visitors see the update immediately.